Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. Today we will see comments in Java. Comments in Java are non-executable statements used to make the code more understandable and maintainable. They are ignored by the compiler during the code execution. Comments are essential for writing clear and maintainable code, providing explanation and notes that help both the original developer and others who might work with the code later. Okay? So basically, comments are used to make the code more understandable and maintainable, and it is mostly used to get a brief description of the code written, okay, which makes the new coder to understand what is used here. Do you understand? And comments are not executed by the compiler. So there are basically two types of comment, where first we have single line comment and next we have multi-line comments. Okay, so single line comment starts with double backslash and extends to the end of the line. Okay, they are useful to brief explanation or notes about a specific line or block of code. Basically, these comments are written in a single line and we use two backslash to show this. Okay, and comments will not be executed by the compiler. Like here we have example where we have defined an int age. Okay, integer data type age as a name of the variable, and then we have 15 the value. So this is a variable and we have assigned a comment here so that the user can understand we are assigning value 15 to variable age. So that's how we use comments to show the information about the code. And next we have multi-line comment. These comments start with a backslash and star and ends with a star and then backslash. Okay, these can span multiple lines and are useful for longer explanations or for commenting out a large section of code. Like here we have an example of multi-line comment where we have used backslash then star and then we have written whatever we want and then star and backslash again to close the multi-line comment. Like we have written assigning value 15 to variable age and this is required condition. So let us see a simple example of both this in our Eclipse IDE. So here, as you can see, we have defined two variable and then we are printing it. So let us first use our single line comment. So like here, I can use single line comment by using two backslash and then I will write whatever comment I want to write, but which will only be in this single line. So let us say defining an integer age 20. Okay, so this is how we define a single line comment. And if we want to directly comment a single line, so we use control and then backslash, so it will comment it. And similarly, if we want to uncomment this, we simply use control and backslash, so it will get uncommented. And if we want to write a multi-line comment, like here if I want to write a multi-line comment here, then I will use backslash and then star, and then again I will use a star and then backslash. So inside that what I can write whatever I want, like I am defining a multi-line comment. So I can use multiple line here, but it will not affect us. So this is how we use multi-line comment and single line comment. So today we saw comments in Java. Thank you.